Hello, good to see you all. We'll continue today with the language lesson, and then today's topic is simple future tense. Okay, children, I know you are very busy these days because you are writing the unit test from today onwards, yet you need to give some time for your studies as well, okay, regular studies. So, today we'll be doing unit 23, simple future tense. Okay, so whenever we want to talk something about the future, so we use future tense. The words like shall, will, and going to. Okay, so these are the three, these words shall, will, and going to phrase we use to express the future tense, okay, future time. From after now, now is the present, and after now, whatever, okay, after 5 minutes, or after 1 month, or after 1 week, or next week, or after 10 years, whatever is future, isn't it? We are going to talk about the future. So, while talking about the future, we use this shall, will, and going to. Remember that. Okay. So, when we use will, shall, will, and going to, we will learn it later in this section. Okay. Now, see. For example, I said these words we will use. No, see in the example, I shall finish my homework in the evening. So, it's my plan to finish my homework is in the evening. So, I shall finish. Okay, so I'm talking about completing my homework when in the evening. It's future time. So, I use the word shall to express the action that I'm going to complete in the future. Okay, shall finish. So, remember that when I use the future time with the modal shall, with this verb shall, I will be using the verb one, finish. Just remember, okay, verb one, simple present. We have to use with either shall or will or going to. Okay, so I have been always telling you about with regard to tense, verb one, verb two, verb three, verb four. What are these? So please keep in mind when we do these lessons. All right. So, see, I shall finish my homework in the evening. Okay, so this is my future plan. All right. Now, whether I can use will or not in this, we will see later. Okay.